I'm not here to teach you how to do a passive prosthetic leg or arm, a cosmetic one. We're here to do things called active prostheses. That's interaction between a human and machine. Automation is coming, we better be part of it. This is an interface attaching this to a cane that is already designed to be used by people and optimized. So that's the human and machine interface. How can we put them together? And that needs imagination. And then developing, adapting or learning machines. Let's say we put an algorithm, a MATLAB or a Simulink algorithm, that this cane, the person who's using the cane, if they're using it quickly or slowly, it can adapt its responses to it. That's something simple. It's not difficult to do. It's an if statement. It's one condition. And natural control of devices. Some people have a complete paraplegia. The only thing that's working is their breathing. They have wheelchairs with a straw. And what they do, they puff and sip. And the wheelchair will move forward and back. So that's called the natural control of the device. You know the joystick? It's simple because it's just natural. So you need to be able to imagine what is the patient going to be using. And we have the technology. We have a lot of technologies available. It's just we want to put them together and use them. And the more capable devices is that you need to make sure that the device is able, let's say, to lift heavy weights. What's the difference between physical therapy and occupational therapy? So physical therapy, the only objective of it is motion, to move, to walk. Occupational therapy, let's say if you want to do a job, people can control a mouse using their eye movement to do a job. That's occupation. So you need to have more capable devices allowing people to do that. So the field is huge. Your goal is to have better machine interface, adaptive learning machines, more natural control, and more capable devices. That's it. So we are not here to do passive prosthetics.